All right, now that we know how generative AI works, let's get honest about what it's actually good at. And just as importantly, what it still struggles with. Because it's easy to get swept up in the hype, or the fear. But the truth is much simpler. AI is incredibly fast, weirdly confident, and also kind of blind in some key areas. Let's start with what it can do. Firstly, patterns and predictions. AI thrives on patterns. If you've got repeatable content, summaries, reports, job ads, FAQs, it's a machine for that kind of work. Secondly, rewriting and rephrasing. It's brilliant at taking one idea and spinning it 5 different ways. Polite email, punchy tweet, PowerPoint title, easy. Thirdly, getting you started. AI is fantastic at breaking the blank page. It might not give you the answer, but it gives you a first draft to improve, edit, or completely ignore. And now the other side of the coin, where things get a bit wobbly. Firstly, it can't fact-check itself. It doesn't know what's true, it only knows what sounds true. That's why it sometimes makes up sources or quotes. It's not lying, it just doesn't know better. Secondly, it doesn't get context. It might understand grammar, but it doesn't understand office politics. It won't pick up that "we'll revisit this next quarter" actually means "this is going nowhere." Thirdly, it has no lived experience. AI doesn't know what it's like to be tired, excited, heartbroken, or worried about rent. That emotional layer, the stuff that makes something land or miss entirely, is where you come in. Now remember lesson 2? We talked about how we've shifted from the algorithmic age of AI, all about IQ, to the human age of AI, where EQ matters just as much. Well, this is exactly why AI brings the IQ, speed, structure, memory. But it's you who brings the EQ, the empathy, judgment, tone, and perspective. Without that, it's just words on a screen. Useful, but not meaningful. AI is great at helping you say things, but only you know what to say and why it matters.